Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And I do have a great thought for you. I don't know where this thought came from, but I read it somewhere and I like it. Okay. And it simply says that man creates his environment, mental, emotional, and physical, by the attitude he develops. Man, I've got to say that one more time. Man creates his environment, mental, emotional, and physical, by the attitude he develops. And attitude is crucial. I mean, no matter what we do in life, if we have the right attitude, we can overcome anything. Okay. So here we are. I wanted to share this opportunity, and this is one of the opportunities that I'm going to be sharing and sharing and sharing. Why? Because I believe it is that good of an opportunity. Okay. $50 direct pay business opportunity. And you can get started today. What? For $50 one time out of pocket. So let's look at this together. Okay. It says no website needed. Okay. You'll see why in just a second. All right. It's a $50 one time out of pocket. Okay. It's an easy, simple system. So it's easy as what I'm doing right now, just kind of going through some little points. Okay. I guess they're major points actually about this business, but you get the idea. Okay. You receive a high converting web page. That's why you don't need a website, because the web page will do the selling and the telling for you. There's a 3-minute video on that web page, and the web page is, it's nice and it's working. Okay. And you're going to get my advertising resources. All right. And with this program, you'll be able to receive now $50 payments over and over again. If you did just 20 sales in a month, okay, just 20 sales in a month, all right, you would make $1,000 for that month. All right, so that's pretty good. You're not going to get wealthy or rich with this program, but you can make some great extra income, take care of those credit card bills, take care of a car note, help pay the mortgage or the rent, etc., etc. You get the idea. Okay. Earn a great extra income and the payment processor of your choice. I use Zelle. I use Cash App. I use Google Pay. And I think I'm going to add Stripe for somebody that wants to go that route. But you use the payment processor or processors of your choice. So I'm going to leave a link to one of my splash pages. Okay. We're not going to collect your information or anything like that. But if you want to get into this business, I'll leave the link so that you can do that. Okay. So there you have it. That's how simple it is. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. And I hope to see you, on the inside, getting started in this business. Okay. I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed. Bye-bye.